Hi everyone, welcome to Rain's Art. Today I'm going to do a little experiment. I've mixed up some paint with just water and I want to try and do a Dutch pour. So let's see how it goes. Now it looks a bit thick, doesn't it? Never mind, we'll see what happens. Okay. I just put a little bit more water in that. So I mixed all these paints just with distilled water. So the first colour is warm yellow. This is orange. This is yellow flower. So these are all global paints. This is metallic gold. Oops. And this is metallic lavender. I don't know why it's all going off to one side, because I did put my level on here before we did this. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Oh dear, it is too strong. Goodness. And that was on my lowest setting. I've got paint everywhere. Everywhere on my tripod. Well, it didn't work out the way I wanted it to, and that's thick there. I can't see any purple in here whatsoever. So this is a close-up. I didn't get any cells. The colour's really vibrant. I got a bit of purple there, not much. Interesting to see how it dries. So I'll be back later to show you the dried result. So guys, this is the dried result of my painting. I have to say I'm really happy with it. I'm very pleased with how it dried, and this was just paint and water and some Amsterdam White and Aussie Floetrol to swipe it, but you can't see that it's been swiped because there isn't any cells. But let's have a closer look. So it has dried really nicely. Obviously didn't get all the air bubbles out, but that happens. Oh, what's that? Oh, a hair. We have a hair. Never mind. It's what happens when you live in a house full of pets. So the only bit of purple I got was there, and a little bit down the bottom. I think it's actually metallic purple I used. Can't remember. But I'm actually really pleased, and I know when I first started flow art, and that wasn't long ago, maybe 18 months ago, I used just paint and water, and I was happy with the results then. I'm happy with the results now. I have done another one. This is contrasting colours on the colour wheel, so the yellows go with the purple, and it's actually really, I used oranges, but I think the purple went with it really nicely anyway. So thanks for tuning in, guys, and until next time, please take care of yourself, your family, and the people you love, and I will catch you next time. Bye for now.